This is Lee Sterling of ParamountSports.com, and what a weekend it was last weekend. We went 9-1 college football. Our only loss was the Michigan State game where they were up 27-3. They blew a 27-3 lead. They ended up winning 27-22. Didn't get the cover, but we go 9-1 on Saturday. A combined 11-2 weekend on Saturday and Sunday. So we are rolling. The question is, how much longer can you afford not to join Paramount Sports and join us on this journey in this unbelievable season? This is what I have for everyone out there if you want to get involved. If you want to get my executive phone service, these are the games that I personally play myself where I rate from 10 to 50 units, and you're going to get between 12 and 15 games a week from now through the end of October. Just $247, 3 weeks of action. Use coupon code SAVE50. Just $247 for 3 weeks of the games that I am personally betting on, where we've won 8 out of 10 weeks since the start of the preseason football. And these are the games where we are in the midst of our 23rd straight winning season. No one, and I mean no one in the country, can match my record in the last 3 years. Not even close. You want to get involved, my executive phone service, just $247. Use coupon code SAVE50 at ParamountSports.com or call me at 800-400-9741. And also we have a promo pack. We decide on these promo pack games late Wednesday, early Thursday. It's a sampling of what we do. It's games on Saturday and Sunday. We have 9 for just $49 if you use coupon code SAVE50. So get my executive phone service for 3 weeks of games that I'm personally playing. We release these games each and every day. Just $247 with coupon code SAVE50. Or my promo pack, combine 9 games on Saturday and Sunday. Just $49 with coupon code SAVE50. ParamountSports.com or 800-400-9741 and start winning today.